Okay, so recently I've been seeing a lot of these can AI make a video game type of videos, which is crazy because just about 2 years ago we had Will Smith eating spaghetti. So I just had to put it to the test. Can AI actually create a video game, or all of these videos are just fake? Let's find out. But before we start harassing ChatGPT, first we had to get all of the game assets ready, because if I will be honest with you, AI is definitely not the best at making models. Okay, so I got a bunch of stuff. First of this axe that I got from Sketchwap that I feel like will be our main weapon. Also I got a bunch of trees and rocks and a campfire from the toolbox, as you can see. Basically my idea is that you have to sustain the fire of the campfire by cutting down the trees and placing wood into it. Otherwise you just lose the game. Which is definitely a very unique idea, so I quickly made a simple map for the game and it was finally the time to start the game called Tin Can. Okay, so it's been a while since I asked ChatGPT to make a view model and it finally is working, as you can see. What's crazy is that it even has some heating animations, which I just didn't expect the AI to know how to make them, but currently it kinda does nothing, so next I will ask it to make cutting down trees possible. Okay, so it's been like an hour from the last time I recorded. Cutting down trees now kind of works, but the wood they drop is just floating up there for no reason. Obviously that needs fixing. Anyways, it kinda takes really long time for it to give me code. So for the last like 30 minutes in between prompts I've been playing this game. I will fix the problem with the tree cutting and get back to you in a few minutes or maybe an hour. Okay, so cutting down trees finally works, so next up I decided to focus on the campfire, so I quickly made the simple UI and with ChatGPT I made it slowly go down. If it gets to 0 you are just kicked from the game because I'm kinda lazy and I don't really want to make a replay screen. Also now you can put the wood you get into the campfire to keep it going. And yeah, I made a very fun game. Okay, maybe it's kinda boring, and that's because we don't have enemies. So I added the zombie from the toolbox, made a couple of animations, asked ChatGPT, and it was finally working. But currently something doesn't feel right. I feel like I could improve the scenery. So I made it at nighttime, I added a glow effect to the campfire, and with ChatGPT made it slowly decrease. I also found this nice wind effect that really adds a lot to this place. Anyways, it was finally the time to add the ambience. Okay, this will do. I also put a couple of structures around the map to make it less boring, and now it was finally the time to make it public. So for the name, I don't really have an idea, so if you have one, please comment it down below, because currently the name of the game is Wood, which is, you know, not the best name for a video game. And I also made a thumbnail where I just took the screenshot from the game that for some reason really looks like one of those Unity asset swap games, which is kind of funny because the game is made with AI. I also want to see if you could sell a game made with AI. So I posted a post on RodDev's Discord server, and if you want to see where it went, you can join my Discord server down in the description, where I will share if anyone actually buys the game. AI can actually make games, which is crazy, but it's really limited to your understanding of the engine. For me, it was possible to make this game only because I know how to make everything in this game myself. So I knew how to guide ChatGPT to get desired results. If you are just starting game development, I would not recommend using AIs. It's better to learn everything yourself and only then maybe use AIs to get stuff for you. Anyways, see you in the next one.